my name is Mitra, my pronouns are she and her, and I'm your president of the UTMSU for this year. Today, I have 2 study tips for you. The first one is clear your mind, and the second one is remove any distractions that are around you so you can actually focus on your studying.
Hi everyone, my name is Maelis, my pronouns are she and her, and today I'm going to share with you 2 tips and tricks for better studying. So first of all, I would highly encourage you to handwrite your notes. A lot of studies have actually shown that it really helps with memorization and knowledge retention. And if you're a visual learner, then you can add colors, arrows, diagrams, sticky notes, whatever will help you learn better than if you were typing. And then my second study tip would be, remember to breathe and take study breaks, because you have to remember that doing your best does not mean working yourself to the point of a mental breakdown, because it's no longer your best at this point. So you have to remember that your mental health should always come first, and to take care of yourself when studying.
What is up, everybody? My name is Mudassir Akhtar. My pronouns are he and him, and I am the promotions coordinator for the UTMSU this year, bringing you 2 study tips and tricks that may make your life a bit easier. So to start with, number 1, my favorite, is to always stay hydrated. And number 2 is to always listen to good music.
Hello folks, my name is Lana and my pronouns are she and her, and I'll be giving you 2 study tips and tricks that will help you throughout the year. First tip is to organize your study session before you start, and by that would be like doing an agenda, putting reminders, taking notes, schedules, just to keep you updated on what to study, and like it'll give you kind of like a head plan of how to start and what to start on. And second one is to read out aloud. This will help you to notice if you make mistakes, to catch up on the mistakes while you're saying them, while reading notes, or reciting or memorizing, so that you can spot on and so you can understand concepts more clearly. Hope that helped.
Hey folks, my name is Adiba Gari, my personal pronouns are she and her, and I'm here to give you 2 study tips that may be beneficial to you. Number 1 is to always have a to-do list, whether it's for the week or just for the day. And number 2 is to always use flashcards when studying for any upcoming quiz or test. I've used this method for years now, and it honestly helps a lot when trying to study for different subjects. So I highly recommend these 2 tips for you folks to try.